Alright guys, I got this all cleaned up. And I know I got a lot of short videos. I'm figuring it out. And I just fat fingered the button. I meant to hit play again, the pause button again, and accidentally hit the freaking stop button. So I'll get it right. Just be patient with me. But this is I got it all welded in, this patch, got it all cleaned up. It's a little rough right now. I'm gonna have some body filler on her anyway. As far as, I don't want it too smooth. I want something that body filler is gonna be able to bite to. Like I said, it's just gonna be a skim coat. And if you guys are doing this and you're not very experienced, when you see this stuff right here, don't worry about it. I mean, it's smooth. You're gonna see some of your welding stuff. You're gonna have skim coated body filler on there. You're never gonna see it. I remember way back in the day when I first started doing this, and I seen that, and I kept grinding and grinding because I'm like, well, I got to get that, I smooth that out. You got to get it to where you can't tell that patch is welding in there. And I found out the hard way that that's just not necessary. It's welded in there. It's solid. It's good. If you got these little offsets where you can see where it's been welded, and don't worry about it. You're going to put body filler on there. You're going to smooth it out, and it's not going to be that bad. So just so you know that. And on the previous video, I gave you a few tips on how to weld, starting on the good. If it's blowing out on you, starting on the good metal that you're putting in, and just work your way over to the existing metal if the sheet metal on there is pretty thin. So, but anyway, I got the patch panel welded in there on this front fender. And just got to put a skim coated body filler on it. And get this whole thing sanded down. I want to get it down to bare metal. I got to get it cleaned up first. There's a few more things I got to do, like this little dent right here. I got to work that. Outside of that, I got to put some body filler on this, obviously. Get it down to bare metal, and I can put a direct to metal epoxy primer on it. And that way it'll be good to go until I start doing my final body work, which I'll probably put a 2K primer on there, a high build primer, and make this thing laser straight. So talk to you in a bit.